Are you ready, boy?
Let's go. We're on the road again without Willie Nelson this time. Just because I'll probably get copyrighted.
Yeah.
My singing is so good.
Oh,
But yeah, we're leaving Idaho today.
finally.
How long you been here, baby?
2 months.
2 months. And why? Because it's beautiful and it was
Yeah.
cheap. A nice cheap park out here.
Yeah.
The town is Bayshore, is that right?
Yeah.
Bayview. The town is Bayview, and it's just to the north of Coeur d'Alene,
Yeah.
North Idaho. And it's beautiful here, like easily livable. I mean, we
Yeah.
can live here.
I do my walking every day, and I love it.
Walking.
Walkies. And
So, all we're doing is heading west. This break away from work, we are going near Seattle. We're going to mooch around down the bottom of Seattle. We might not see Rainier this time, but we're going to drive past Mount Rainier and the national park. But we haven't actually scheduled any time for it. But we are going to, what's the national park there?
Olympic National.
Olympia? Or is it Olympic?
I think it's Olympic.
Today, we're heading to,
Leavenworth.
isn't that a jail, Leavenworth? That sounds, I feel like I've seen that on the movies somewhere. Anyway, we'll be there in about 4 hours, driving west across Washington.
Yay, excited.
Woo-hoo!
On the road again.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Isn't this beautiful? Washington. So Mount Rainier is somewhere like over there. We'll probably see it soon. But we're going over a pass from the east side of the range over to the ocean. We're going to a 1,000 Trails campground called Oceana, which is, I won't say right on the beach, but it's close to the beach, like you can walk to the beach. Lovely. And look at this weather. Nice. So I recently bought a project, should be a quick project, to upgrade our GMC Sierra 3500 HD Dually. I love all the names. It's like, you know, if you're a scientist, you got all the letters after your name, it sort of makes you cool. This thing, since we've owned it, has been really wobbly on the steering wheel. And I initially thought, well, it's still under warranty, we'll get that fixed. We took it to a dealership and said, it's like the pitman arm and the idler arm is worn. I gave it a wobble and it sort of was a little loose. And I said, it must be that. Because the steering is just, when you go over holes or bumps, the steering wheel's like, you know, shaking in your hand. You shouldn't have that for a power steering. And anyway, they checked it and they said, no, it's fine. There's definitely something wrong. Anyway, we've just learned to live with it. But recently come across suspensionmax.com, and they produce a steering stabilizer for the GMC Sierra trucks. because I think it was 2017, GMC stopped putting stabilizers on the steering arms. That's why it's wobbly. So we've gone and spent $200 and bought ourselves some sort of stabilizer. It looks a little bit like a shock absorber, but it's got minimally invasive. It uses mounting holes that are already in the cross member there. Should be 30-minute, 60-minute job. So we're going to get that done and see if it improves the handling. Because even just highway driving like we are now, I'm constantly having to correct the steering, you know, because of this no steering stabilizer. And the other reason is I can't pay attention. Hopefully this will fix that problem. Woo! Look at this belly. And so we got the engine brake on, right? And it works beautifully, keeps us slow. We barely touch the brakes going down a hill. But can you hear that ticking? It's only when I'm coasting down. See, we just changed gears and it stopped briefly. If I put my foot on the accelerator like now, it stops. Off. Starts again. Who out there is a diesel? Who out there is a diesel expert can tell me what this is? Got to do with the exhaust brake, and I'm just worried that it's going to lead to something more catastrophic, you know. Let me know in the comments, please. Cheers. So it might be 1310 on the, if it's round, it might be 1310 on the edges. Yeah, it'll be 1310. So if the air conditioners are in the middle, so that's okay.
Can you slow down? But it looks okay. Nothing?
Isn't that funny how it says 1310, all those signs, and then when you get there, it's 13.9.
Oh, God.
Whatever. But 13.4 is hitting, yeah, so we don't want to be hitting.
Yeah.
So if that was 13.9, then it was this much above our air conditioners.
Yeah.
But our air conditioners are centerline, so that was fine. Man, what a drive. Nearly done. That was 4 o'clock. So that was like
After a quarter of a mile, you will
6?
reach your
7-hour
destination.
drive.
But
Be
yeah,
on your left.
because you got lost.
Traffic
Yeah.
in Seattle. Wrong turns. Like 4. There's the flags. 1,000 Trails flags.
After 1,000 feet, you will reach your destination. The destination will be on your left. You have reached your destination.
Big drop.
Yeah.
That's that. There we go.
Yay.
The chicken to the right. I'll let. Right. Hello. Yeah.
I guess by the size. You've never been here before.
No.
Okay, so I'm gonna ramble some stuff at you, but everything like the codes and stuff like that will be all on the second page. I don't expect you to hear everything I say.
So we're on 82 on that side.
Well, we made it to the Pacific Northwest coast.
Yay!
In Washington. So we're well south of Seattle. Olympic National Park is just there somewhere. We're going to go check that out in the next day or two. And it's just good to smell
I know.
salt air again. Huh? But this water is freezing.
I know.
It is so cold. This is middle of summer and you got to wear a hoodie because it's on a beautiful sunny day. It's just the wind is freezing.
Yeah.
Woo.
Let's go home. Let's go home. Bye.
So Princess wants to go back to Philippines. I said it's that way. Bye. My flight gets there on Wednesday, so I'll see you in about 3 years. Let's go.
Right, this is a Fox News alert. A massive 8.8 magnitude earthquake off the coast of Russia has now triggered tsunami advisories. Watches, warnings included in Japan, Hawaii, Alaska, Guam, the entire west coast of the U.S., including California, Oregon, Washington State. Tsunami warning.
So we are right on the beach here in Washington. Tsunami is due here at 11:20 tonight. It is now 7:50. We've got a couple hours. It's still daylight right now. We've decided we're going. We're packing up the RV and it's only 30 minutes away up somewhere near the Olympic National Park. It's 500 feet above sea level, so it'll be safe for tonight. We're just going to boondock there and come back tomorrow and see what it looks like. Anyway, busy getting packed up. Catch you guys a bit later.
Are we done?
Yeah, I think we're pretty much done.
So what our neighbor said.
So, yeah, everyone's talking about it. I've seen some guys leave, but these guys go, oh, we'll be here in the morning, don't worry about it.
Okay.
Tell them, see you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow. I saw one RV going out too.
I've seen at least 5.
Yeah. So 5 already go out?
Yep.
So we are moving to another campground.
Well, no, it's boondock.
It's a boondock.
Somewhere in the national park, I think, or national forest. 500 feet high, no tsunami. It's only small though, geez, I hope it might be crowded.
Our neighbor said might be, not too dangerous. Like they said, only 1 feet, 3 feet.
Yeah, but of course our neighbours are experts, so we're just going out for a night boondocking, that's all. Well, we're up high just here, but there's nowhere to camp, Right next to this radar site, maybe.
Oh no, and lots of garbage.
End up with radiation poisoning. Well done, baby, for packing up so fast. What was that, 20 minutes?
Yeah, because I didn't really clean up.
Is that a dingo or a dog? Dingo. Dingo's got my baby.
Why's dingo?
Might be a coyote.
Ding ding.
Road runner.
After 1 mile turn
Someone's
right.
dog.
Just someone's talking. Anyway, it's 9 o'clock and it's getting dark. I just hope we can get there. Saying 29 minutes. Jeez, it's going to be dark. But we can just park the trailer, open up the middle slides, and go to bed. Crawl up onto bed, no problem. And if anyone says, hey, you can't camp here, we'll tell them why. You guys are our witness. Wonder what that twilight will bring in 2 hours.
Yeah.
2 hours, the wave is going to be here. Oh, look, there's a fifth wheel parked up here.
Ugh, why here? It's still, level.
Well, it is a bit, yeah, but it's inland a little bit. Oh, it's not a fifth wheel, it's a C. But yeah, they're parked up for the night. So all I did was look up Campendium, and the nearest boondock was where we're going, 11 miles now. Looked on Google Earth, it's a small little thing off the road, a little loop. So there should be room for like at least 3 RV. There might be somewhere closer, I just don't know where. Like that guy back there.
Yeah, but
He just parked in someone's driveway. Anyway, worst case we come back, 9 miles to go, we'll have a look at it. there here, it's probably because the other one's full. Oh, there's no car. Yeah, it's just a fifth wheel parked there.
Looks like a permanent
Yes. So this is
You have reached your
Olympia.
destination.
Olympic National Forest. B. You can't go there.
Looking.
No, we're not going there.
Yeah.
Can you turn?
I think this was it. This was the little. So we're stuck in this forest road here. The boondock side is useless. It's like down a big slope and totally overgrown. Be happy to turn around. I cannot see a thing. I'm happy to go back onto that, the road 10 miles back that we saw. If I keep going, we may not be able to turn around at all.
Well, it's more easy to get
This reversing camera is totally useless. A couple that we met first in Madagascar when we were sailing, they were on their boat. Trevor and Kimmy, they live here in Olympia, and we are 20 minutes away, setting up our mooch dock with them near their driveway. Yeah.